What's up, y'all? It's a huge storm coming tomorrow. Well, actually tonight. It's supposed to start around, I would say 12, and it's supposed to be all day. They're saying around 12 inches of snow is supposed to be here in Cleveland, Ohio. So what I'm doing to prepare is, boom. I bought me a new memory card. I run out of memory within an hour with my old memory card. So I bought a new memory card, and I actually bought a new battery as well. So hopefully I get a lot of good footage tonight and tomorrow. This will be posting maybe a day after the storm. So I should have a lot of good footage for you guys. So wish me luck in this storm tonight. All right, y'all, getting ready to go out here and plow a little bit. It's late. I'm only going to hit just the apartment building right now. Then I'll be back out around 2 o'clock in the morning to knock out all my properties. But we're supposed to get about 8 inches tonight. So I'm going to hit that apartment building now, knock it out. And hopefully it don't be that tough to do it around like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. So headed out now. It's looking bad outside. All right, y'all, so I'm back at it. About to sort this apartment building again. It's not bad now. It's not that bad now, actually, but it's gonna get bad, so I'm about to knock it out. Alright, y'all, so I finished sorting the whole property. I put the salt bags in the back of my Jeep just in case I forget the key to get in that garage. I like to always have some salt on me so I can just spread it without having to go in the garage. So that's the reason you see me loading it up. But everything's done over here. We'll be back a little later to finish snow plowing. There's not enough snow to plow right now, but I wanted to get it salted real good. But that's it for this location. All right, so before a storm, I could never sleep. So this is what I take. I pop 2 of those. I sleep like a baby. I wake up, I be so energized. I'm telling you, if y'all need the energy, I would take 2 of those. It's called Sleep Mode. It's by Bulletproof. So take 2 of those. I think it's melatonin is in it. 2 of those, and you'll be knocked out. And then you'll wake up charged up. You'll be plowing like crazy.